Ever wonder how your data travels at a lightning speed? Meet fiber optic cables that are responsible for smooth transmission. Fiber optic cables are made up of super thin glass or plastic strands that carry data as light signals instead of electricity, unlike traditional copper cables. Compared to copper cables, fiber optics are not only faster, but also less affected by electromagnetic interference and more secure from data breaches. These light signals can travel faster and over much longer distances without losing strength, making fiber optics the gold standard for high-speed internet. Whether it's streaming, video conferencing, or gaming, fiber optics deliver a smoother, more reliable connection for all your data-heavy needs. So next time you are online, remember, fiber optics are the backbone of our digital world. To buy your desired Ethernet cable, visit New York Cables and also follow us for more tech insight videos.